हेलो नमस्ते टू एवरीवन, आप सबका स्वागत है पंजाब केसरी और नवोदय टाइम्स पे। मैं हूं अमर और आज मेरे साथ हैं शेफाली शाह, जिनका एक अमेजिंग शो जो बहुत सालों से लोग देख रहे हैं, उसका सीजन 3 आ रहा है। इट्स कॉल्ड डेली क्राइम। वेलकम टू पंजाब केसरी।
थैंक यू अमर।
सबसे पहले आई वांट टू स्टार्ट विद द स्टार्ट। मुझे याद है जब डेली क्राइम सीजन 1 आया था, तब वो एक न्यू वर्ल्ड था लोगों के लिए। सबने बहुत एक्सेप्ट किया। इट बिकेम शो जो लोगों ने घर पे बहुत देखा, साथ में बहुत सारी औरतों ने भी देखा। फिर सीजन 2 आया, सीजन 3 आ गया है। यू आर सिनोनिमस विद डेली क्राइम एंड डेली क्राइम इज सिनोनिमस विद शेफाली शाह। अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि जब सीजन 1 की जो शुरुआत की शूट की डेज थी और अब जब आप सीजन 3 में ट्रांजिशन कर रहे हो, व्हाट हैज चेंज? बिकॉज अभी सिनोनिमस तो हो ही गया है, तो वो वेट थोड़ा बड़ा है और यू बिकम मोर फ्लोइंग।
Oh no, it's the pressure is too much.
जी।
The pressure is too much. कि मतलब पहला सीजन किया तब तो हम सब मिलकर एक शो बना रहे थे which we loved.
Yeah.
And we all thought कि what is this? Netflix भी नहीं था. Then Netflix acquired the show. But I was like, but the show, we knew the show was so special. And then the audience, उनको भी लगा कि oh my god, ये क्या शो है। और फिर वर्तिका became very big. Suddenly मैडम सर, ये बहुत मतलब अनएक्सपेक्टेड ग्रोथ था उसका। ग्रोथ नहीं, एक्सेप्टेंस या जो भी कहो। सो जब सीजन 2 अनाउंस हुआ था, तब मुझे रियलाइज होने लगा दैट ओ गॉड, मैडम सर इज बिकम वेरी बिग। तो सेकंड सीजन जब रिलीज होने वाला था, तब से जो मेरा प्रेशर शुरू हुआ था, क्योंकि जब कर रहे हो ना तभी प्रेशर नहीं होता।
बिल्कुल।
बट फॉर 3, बिकॉज सीजन 2 का जो रिस्पॉन्स एंड रिएक्शन था, एंड पर्टिकुलरली मेरी तरफ, आई वॉज सो ग्रेटफुल। बहुत मतलब आई एम रियली लकी कि इतना प्यार, इतना रिस्पेक्ट। आई रिमेम्बर सीजन 1 के बाद आई वाज ऑन द हाईवे ड्राइविंग और एक बड़ा होर्डिंग था विच सेड मैडम सर। एक सीरियल बना रहा था कोई विद द टाइटल मैडम सर। बट सो प्रेशर इज अ लॉट। ऑल्सो ना, एक आई नो द जर्नी ऑफ द कैरेक्टर इज चेंज्ड, बट द ऑडियंस विल सी इट लाइक, मतलब पहले सीजन में तो इतनी दादागिरी थी, अब इतना why she calmer, but there is a thought because of why she is so much, and she's not calm, she's just internalized everything. So वो सब भी है जो हर प्रोजेक्ट में होता है कि अच्छा लगेगा नहीं लगेगा, लोग कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे। बट आई एम वेरी possessive about her. मतलब मेरे लिए मैडम सर इज अ वेरी बिग डील।
आई कैन सी दैट, एंड आई थिंक इट्स ऑफन सेड कि अगर किसी एक्टर को उसके नाम नहीं बट कैरेक्टर से जान जाए तो इट्स वेरी रिवॉर्डिंग। प्रेशर मेक्स यू वर्क मोर एट टाइम्स। जैसे मेरा ऐसा है कि अगर बहुत प्रेशर है, आई एम बेटर एट माय वर्क।
I function well under pressure. लेकिन जब पहले दिन, शूट का पहला दिन था, तब तो मुझे ये एज एन एक्टर हर सेट पर प्रेशर होता है कि मैं जाऊंगी और मुझे कुछ नहीं आएगा। So that तो was there. But उसके बाद once you flow into it, it's not, you don't think of इसका क्या होगा, you're just thinking of how true is she वर्तिका or no? Correct. In this moment, सिर्फ वो ख्याल आता है।
It becomes very seamless.
Yeah. Not easy. Seamless, yes, but not easy. Actually, not even seamless. It's always a tussle.
Okay. आपका जो कैरेक्टर है, उसमें एक चीज बहुत सही तरीके से दिखाई है कि दे आर नॉट जस्ट शोइंग कि वो काम पे क्या कर रही है, वो घर पे भी क्या कर रही है। उसकी पर्सनल बैटल्स एट होम, शी इज ट्राइंग टू गिव इट ऑल टू अ चाइल्ड, टू अ हस्बैंड, और काम में भी शी इज वेरी फोकस्ड. She might miss a call घर का, she might miss a call work का, but she is trying to balance it all, which is very beautiful and rare. In your personal life, Shefali, women are known to be amazing at multitasking. They are amazing multitaskers. For you, how is it like now? Because I'm sure आप बहुत scripts पढ़ रहे हो, आपको बहुत offers आ रहे हैं, given the hold you have on your craft. But at home, now it has become more on autopilot.
No, it's never autopilot.
Okay.
Because you're dealing with different people. Actually, what I do in, let's say, when you're working now, you're dealing with much more professional people. At home, you're not.
Yeah.
somebody decides not to come, they will not come. It's everybody does their own thing.
Correct.
So it's very unpredictable. You know, it's I mean, it might sound really like लोगों को शायद believe नहीं होगा, but I face exactly the same problems every woman faces in her house. So वो constant है. It's not seamless. It's not easy. You know, it's not going to be easy.
Yeah.
But like today itself, you know, nobody in my staff has come. So I have said मैं आकर मेरा रूम कर लूँगी, तुम लोग प्लीज तुम लोगों का रूम कर लो, तो भी गनीमत है. But that is how it is. And tomorrow, for example, I have interviews and, you know, we have a screening and all of it. But my pup isn't well. So I want to go there myself. You know, Maurya, my son said, I'll take him. But I'm trying to get, you know, मुझे 7:30-8 बजे का appointment मिले, तो I can take him, देख लें, and then I can come to work. So this is a constant. ये तो होते रहता है.
Yeah.
But it's a part of life.
For sure.
And I have chosen it. And very happily.
Yeah.
You know. So is it easy? No. But this is what it is.
Yeah. No automatic. Yeah.
No. You know, actually I read a scientific article about this, about the mind and overthinkers and all that. And apparently the conclusion of it is that there is nothing like multitasking. Okay. Our brain is not equipped to multitask.
Okay.
Obviously, they haven't met an Indian woman.
Oh my God, yes. Matlab, the things our mothers and our grandmothers, my sisters all have been doing, हम लोग तो मतलब I have to say in Indian conditionality, जो conditioning होती है, men are very privileged.
No, and I'm saying, matlab, I'm not asking a medal to run my own house or, you know, protect my children or be present. But to say कि क्या करते हो is really unfair.
Yeah.
घर में बैठ के क्या करते हो? That's not fair.
Yeah, agree, 1000%. Your show Delhi Crime, जब से वो start हुआ था अभी तक, I have loved the female casting. Casting has always been a winning point. In season 2, Tilotama, what she brought to the table was so authentic.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and abhi इस season में भी you are there, of course. Rasika is there, Huma is there, Shiny is there, and there's
Meeta ma'am is there.
Meeta ma'am is there.
Jaya Bhattacharya is there.
Jaya Bhattacharya is there. It was so good to see.
And there are multiple of these young actors who are phenomenal.
Yeah. And I'm sure off camera, जो बाकी लोग होंगे, ADs and the people at hair and makeup, what changes in a set when there is more of female energy? I'm sure empathy का level बहुत बढ़ जाता होगा. But what is that one striking change? More collaborative, maybe.
I think you're more easy to share secrets or say something that I probably wouldn't say to a male.
Yeah, unhinged.
Yeah, and you know, I genuinely believe it. सिर्फ set पर नहीं, या सिर्फ friends में नहीं. But even if you go into a room of women, you go for a party or you go to a theater. You may not know the woman, but there is a silent sisterhood which is unshakable.
Yeah.
And I believe it. You know, अगर कोई भी औरत देखे किसी और, you know, some other girl, there is something off या कुछ भी,
they voice it out.
She'll voice it out. You know, it's so I think that is very strong.
Yeah, phenomenal. Talking about Meeta, she's such a powerful actor, and Huma. जब आप लोग कर रहे थे sets पे, I'm sure improvisations तो हुए होंगे. What were the conversations off camera?
So मीता मैम के साथ मैंने पहले कभी काम नहीं किया. I met her on set. हमारे बीच में 2 सीन है. Okay, एक सीन interrogation का है. Because she's from the crime world.
Correct.
And she was so brilliant. And her character is such कि वो improvise कर सकते थे.
Okay.
Vartika is more, you know, held back, whatever. She was unbridled completely. And I was just watching her, watching her. हमें कितनी बार we had to suppress our laugh because she was just so good. Yeah, so it was a treat. It's always a treat when you're working with such amazing actors. And again, Huma के साथ भी I had 2 scenes.
Okay.
Which is really I was like, अरे यार ये क्या है? But again, such a wonderful not just as an actor, अभी promotions के वक्त जब हम वक्त गुजार रहे हैं साथ में, you know, you can make out a lot about a person. वो जिस तरह बात करती है, उनका सोच क्या है, और उनकी, she's such a very eloquent speaker, but also she's a very gracious actor. Very gracious actor. So it's a treat जब ऐसे लोगों के साथ काम करने मिलता है.
I'm looking forward.
Me too. I think this season has probably the best female ensemble cast in any show I have seen for the longest time.
Yeah. It's led by them and it's too good. Coming back to one of your films जो मेरी काफी favorite है, जो बहुत कम लोगों ने देखी है, The Last Lear. It also had a lot of actors, female actors coming together. मुझे याद है आपके scenes in that room, in that house, जब आप गेट खोलती हैं and you bring in प्रीति और दिव्या हैं. Tell us something about that set. बहुत कम बातें हुई उस फिल्म के बारे में, some fond memories, and also to have the one and only Amitabh Bachchan and
so,
you three young actors. Yeah.
पहले तो the film came to me in a very interesting way.
Yes.
एक दिन मैं कहीं जा रही थी और एक कॉल आए जा रहा था, so I picked it up and the person on the other side said, Shefali ji, Amit ji आपसे बात करने जाते हैं. I said, yeah, sure. And I cut the call. I was in a rickshaw, okay? The person kept calling. So I picked it up and I said, ma'am, whatever. So I was like, listen, this can't be, matlab, I should give it a chance at least, you know? Yeah. So I'm telling the rickshaw wala, आप रुको, बहुत आवाज, आप साइड में रुको. He said, नहीं, जल्दी जाना है. I said, अरे रुको, अमित जी मुझसे बात करें. So he's also looked at me like, really? मतलब, sure, Mr. Bachchan is calling you, of course. And अमित जी came online and he said, Shefali, मैं एक फिल्म कर रहा हूँ ऋतुपर्णो घोष के साथ, और मैंने कहा है एक कैरेक्टर है जिसके लिए मैंने आपका नाम सजेस्ट किया है, आपने वो फिल्म करनी चाहिए. It was really as simple as that. Wow. And I was like, thank you Amit ji and whatever. फिर ऋतुदा मुझे मिले and उन्होंने मुझे बताया and I you know, अभी भी actually, not just then, I cannot see a film in its entirety in my head. Even when I read a script, a lot of actors can. कि कैसा होगा, ये कैसे लगेगा, whatever. But it was a trust of एक incredible sensitive director है, and then I get to work with Amit ji, and there is Preeti, and there is Divya, and you know Prasanjit sir I think was there. हमारे scenes नहीं थे लेकिन वो थे. Arjun था. So it was like wow, and I always wanted to work with Rituda. So उस तरीके से एक तो पहले वो फिल्म मेरे पास आई. फिर जब हम शूट कर रहे थे ना, कई बार आपने अभी मुझे पूछा कि सेट पर फीमेल ज्यादा होते हैं, तो does the energy shift happen?
Yeah.
I have never felt that as I have felt on Last Lear.
The Last Lear.
And there was such feminine, sensitive energy on that set. Yeah. It was so fragile. It wasn't. You can't even call it energy. You know, it was just so compact, and it was just very intimate, very, very intimate. And वो बहुत बड़ी बात थी, you know. And जिस तरह से वो बात करती है, जिस तरह से, like I remember एक distinct moment था where, so हमारी back story थी कि वंदना क्या होगी,
बिल्कुल,
you know, and you figure that she's probably a dancer. So कहीं दिखता नहीं है कि she's a dancer except but the way she walks and all of that. So there is a moment where I'm talking about something that's happened in the past, and you know he had fallen, ऐसा कुछ है, and I did, you know, just the way it moves, and it was a very distinct, किसी को realize नहीं हुआ होगा except me and Rituda, but it was a beautiful film, and that वो film ने मुझे मेरा पहला national award दिया.
Yeah, for
so
sure.
It's a very big thing for me.
Yeah. Please do yourself a favor and watch The Last Lear. It's an amazing film.
Yes.
Coming back to Delhi.
And of course, Mr. Bachchan. I mean, like,
yeah,
I mean, उनके जैसा और कोई नहीं.
Yeah.
कभी हो भी नहीं सकता. It's just Amit ji. That's it.
Yeah, बिल्कुल. He's one of a kind. Coming back to Delhi Crime Season 3, the show has obviously इसकी बहुत एक loyal audience India में है, but it has a very fair number of loyal audience in the West also. It has reached many countries और काफी लोग wait करते हैं उसको देखने को. For you, how important it is for you to transition into the West? I'm not just saying Hollywood, what they call it, but जो ऑफर्स नॉन इंडिया मेकर से आते हैं, उसके लिए आप कितने एक्साइटेड रहते हो, और व्हाट वुड बी शिफाली सेट ऑफ नॉन नेगोशिएबल दैट इफ शी गेट्स अ स्क्रिप्ट फ्रॉम द वेस्ट, उनके लिए क्या है कि यार दिस थिंग आई वांट एंड इफ दिस थिंग इज देयर देन आई एम आउट?
I wish I had gotten a lot of offers, but I don't. Do I want to spread my wings? Yes, I do.
Yeah.
But it's always about, is the part worth it?
Correct.
You know, unless it's a Christopher Nolan film or a Steven Spielberg film, I'll be a spot boy also on that, spot girl also on that set. Meryl Streep film, I will give a cup of coffee. I will do anything to be on that set.
Yeah.
But otherwise, the first thing जो किसी भी फिल्म में होती है, ना सिर्फ, I mean not just Hollywood, over here also, अगर मुझे कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट ऑफर की जाती है, the first is instinctively, does this character just stick to me?
Yeah.
Like, you know, it hits me. And then I'll say yes, and फिर बाकी सब, everything else then falls into place, you know.
Yeah, well aligned, touch wood. Also, this is a role, जो वर्तिका का रोल है, बहुत चैलेंजिंग रोल है, जो वो चीज़ों, जिन लोगों से वो डील कर रही है, मतलब क्रिमिनल से डील कर रही है, मतलब वो एक ऐसा स्ट्रेटा है जो कुछ भी कर सकता है आपके साथ, एंड ऑब्वियसली सम रोल विच आई थिंक नो एक्टर वुड वांट टू कैरी होम, है ना, तो वो कंपार्टमेंटलाइजेशन भी बहुत जरूरी है. Has it made you more conscious with people you cross paths with daily, because आपको ये पता चल रहा है कि ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं जिनके दिल में ना एम्पैथी है ना दया है, और
if you ask me, I feel that there are more good people than bad people. And honestly, I'm not a cynical person.
Okay.
So I never look at a person, and I am naive enough to trust. If you break my trust, that's on you, not me.
Correct.
So, and it's never hit me so hard कि, you know, I have, मतलब ऐसा touch wood कुछ नहीं हुआ where I felt, oh God, I've been betrayed, I have to be very careful. हुआ भी होगा तो मुझे याद नहीं है. And every person is a different person. You have to give them a chance. So I'm a very, very open, like I embrace people, you know, I take in people. Then a relationship kind of pans out, and then you know, realize कि, oh, this is not what I had thought this person is.
Yeah.
So कभी कभार फिर back out करना जरा awkward हो जाता है, but yeah.
It's a nice insight, because a person has to be positive, especially in a city like Mumbai.
Yeah, and I mean,
everything is already so grey,
and there is going to be good and there is going to be bad.
Yeah, definitely.
But I can't keep thinking, I can't live looking at the world कि ये खराब ही होगा. My first reaction is ये अच्छा ही होगा. You know, it's not the other side.
Yeah, the optimist.
Yeah.
Now coming to my favorite question. ये बहुत common question होता है जर्नलिस्ट लोग जो एक्टर से पूछते हैं, बट इसके बाद क्या आ रहा है? What is coming which you can talk about maybe, जो आपने साइन कर लिया है, शूट कर लिया?
So I shot for a film called Hisab, Vipul के साथ. He shot it, he directed it, and there is Jaideep Ahlawat, there is Abhishek Banerjee, there is Rohtaj, there is Srishti, wonderful cast. It's a heist film, बैंक heist के बारे में है.
Wow.
And बहुत मजा आया वो फिल्म शूट करते वक्त, बहुत ही मजा आया फिल्म शूट करते वक्त, और वो अब इस साल में, नए साल में रिलीज होगी.
Okay, it's ready.
So yeah, it's ready. So I'm very excited about that. उसमें मैंने डांस भी किया है.
Oh wow.
So I was like, वाह क्या बात है. और एक फिल्म मैंने शूट की. Of course I can't, मतलब whatever, but it's one of the most wacky characters I have ever played.
Oh wow.
Matlab, she's just, there's something about her. She's just like, I don't know what she is, but I had so much fun shooting that film. You know, and when I say wacky, I don't mean comical. It's a dark comedy. It's not comical as much, but it's just these characters and how weird, and this writing was terrific. So yeah. And there are 2-3 scripts which I have read, I have said yes to.
Okay.
But मतलब कब बनेगी, कैसे बनेगी, वो तो
बिल्कुल,
it's राम भरोसे. Yeah.
बिल्कुल. Looking forward, आप ऐसे ही काम करते जाइए, so that we can see more of you.
Thank
and
you.
we can keep meeting you and asking you these questions.
Thank you so much. Thank you.